Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sunil Sharma over here from Speed Maths, and I've got another mind-blowing puzzle for you all. So here is the puzzle, and the puzzle says a farmer has 5 sons and 25 special cows. First cow gives 1 liter of milk, second cow gives 2 liters of milk, third cow gives 3 liters of milk, and so on, such that the 25th cow gives 25 liters of milk. How amazing! Now farmer wants to distribute these 25 cows in such a way that each son should get same number of cows and equal quantity of milk. How will you distribute these cows to his 5 sons? Let me give you 30 seconds to think about it. I'm sure you should be able to find it. So guys, don't you think this puzzle is amazing? Did you get the answer? If not, keep watching the video. One of the ways to solve this kind of puzzle is using magic squares. Now what are magic squares? Now magic squares are squares such that when you put numbers in it, then the sum of the rows and columns and diagonal has to be same. Now there are various types of magic squares like 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, and for this particular puzzle, we'll be using 5x5 magic square. Why? Because there are 5 sons and there are 25 cows, and that is the reason why we'll be using 5x5. But to understand how to generate 5x5 magic square, we need to understand how to generate 3x3 magic square, and then we can apply the same rules for 5x5. So let me take a grid of 3x3 and then we'll start putting numbers from 1 to 9. And here are the rules which we need to follow. Step 1. Always start with the middle cell in the top row. We'll place 1 in this cell. Rule 2 says we have to move in the northeast direction and place the next number in the next cell. But here if you see, in the northeast direction there is no cell. Then in that case we follow step 3. Step 3 says if there is no cell in the northeast direction, then always go extreme south. And we will place 2 in the last cell. Again we have to move in the northeast direction. But observe, there is no cell in the northeast direction. So as per step 3, we have to move extreme south. But observe, again in south, there is no cell. Then in that case, we'll follow step 4. That is, if there is no cell in the south, then we have to go extreme west. So we are going to place 3 to the extreme west. Now again, let's move in the northeast direction. But observe, in the northeast direction, the cell is already occupied. In that case, we are going to follow rule number 5, which says that while moving in the northeast direction, if the cell is occupied, then place the next number exactly below it. So let's place 4 below 3. Let's move in the northeast direction and place 5. Likewise, again, move in the northeast direction, place 6. Again, if you move in the northeast direction, you will find no cell. So as per rule number 3, we need to move extreme south. But again, if you see, in south there is no cell. So as per rule number 4, we need to move extreme west. But if you observe, again there is no cell. So whenever this happens, that there is no cell in extreme south or extreme west, then as per rule number 5, we need to place the next number just below it. Now if you move northeast, you will find no cell. So as per rule number 3, we have to move in the south. But again there is no cell in the south. So as per rule number 4, we have to move extreme west and we need to place 8 over there. Moving northeast, you will see that there is no cell. So as per rule number 2, we need to move extreme south and place 9 over there. And that's how we finished putting all the numbers from 1 to 9 in this cell. Let's add all the rows and columns and let's check whether if the answer is same. So guys, you can check if you add all the columns, that is the first, second and third column, the sum is the same, which is 15. And likewise, if you add all the rows, first row, second row, third row, again the sum is 15. Even if you add the diagonals from left to right and right to left, again the sum is 15. And this is the technique we are going to use for our question. We are going to use 5x5 grid and we are going to follow the same rule. Rule number 1 says start with the middle cell in the first row. So I'm going to place 1 here. Second rule says move in the northeast direction. There is no cell. So as per rule number 3, let's move south and place 2 in the extreme west. Again, let's move northeast and place 3. Let's move northeast again, but there is no cell. Again in the south there is no cell. So we'll put 4 extreme west. Moving northeast, let's place 5. But now if you move northeast, we'll see it is occupied, so we'll place 6 below 5. Again we'll move northeast, place 7, northeast, 8. Again move northeast, but there is no cell in the northeast direction. Move extreme south, place 9. Moving northeast, no cell. Again in the south, no cell, so we'll place 10 extreme west. Now if you move northeast, it is occupied, so we'll place 11 below 10. Again move northeast, place 12. Northeast, place 13. Northeast, place 14. Northeast, place 15. Now if you move northeast, there is no cell. Extreme south, no cell. Extreme west, no cell. So as per rule number 5, we need to place 16 below 15. Now let's move northeast again. There is no cell in the northeast direction, so let's move extreme south. Again no cell, so let's move extreme west and place 17 in that cell. Again in the northeast direction, there is no cell. Moving south, place 18. Moving the northeast direction, place 19. Northeast, place 20. Northeast occupied, so we'll place 21 just below 20. And then again move northeast and place 22. Move northeast, there is no cell. Extreme south, no cell, so we'll place 23 extreme west. Again move northeast and place 24, and the last cell will put 25. So guys, if you add all the rows and columns, you will find the total is 65. So this is how we will distribute all the 25 cows to his 5 sons, such that each son should get 5 cows and equal amount of milk. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this amazing logical puzzle. I hope I was able to rack your mind. I hope you have subscribed to my video. If not, please do subscribe and do share it with your friends, and do not forget to like this video. It keeps me motivated to make such more videos. Till then, see you in my next video. Take care. God bless.